Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to walk through Chase Ink business credit cards. They are some of the absolute best business credit cards available today. And I want to walk through 8 key benefits of these cards. There's actually 3 cards that they offer. We'll look at all 3 of them, but they share very similar features. We're going to walk through 8 benefits of these cards, and then I'm going to talk about a strategy you might use to maximize these cards for your business. My name is Rob Berger. I'm the founder of allcards.com. I opened my first business in 2007. Didn't really give a lot of thought to business credit cards. I did get one early on, and one of the key reasons is to keep my business expenses separate from personal expenses. It's a huge help at tax time. So if you don't have a business card, even if you don't think of yourself as a business owner, you could be have a side hustle. Maybe you drive for Uber. You do some kind of work where you get 1099 income, you can, and I think should, keep your business expenses separate. So with that, let's walk right through it. And I'll start with one of I think the best. This is the Ink Cash. As I mentioned, there are 3 of them. This is the Ink Cash. One of the things, the first benefit, and all 3 of them share this, is incredible sign-up bonuses. You can see here, this particular card, you get $750 cash back after you spend $7,500 in purchases in the first 3 months. I think for maybe a very small business, that might be a tough hurdle to clear. But I think for a lot of businesses, that won't be too difficult. We can actually now just quickly go to the other 2. Business Unlimited, it's the exact same benefit, $750 when you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. Business Preferred is a little different, and it's actually different in a couple of ways we'll talk about in this video. But one of the ways is you'll see it's not cash back, it's points. Now, as we'll see, points versus cash back doesn't matter a lot with these cards. I'll explain why in a minute. But in this case, you get 100,000 bonus points. You do have to spend 15 grand in the first 3 months. So I get it that this sign-up bonus might not be for everyone. But with the 100,000 points, you can convert that to $1,000 in cash or $1,250 in travel booked through Chase. And I'll explain why in just a minute. But that's the first thing. All 3 cards offer excellent sign-up bonuses. They also offer excellent rewards. The key, though, is to find the one that works best for you. We'll stick with Ink Business Preferred for a moment. You can see their big reward is right here. You get 3x points. It's up to $150,000 spent each anniversary year. But you got to look at the categories. It's shipping. It's advertising with social media and search engines. So if your company advertises in Google AdWords, for example, this could be the card for you. Obviously, internet, cable, and phone service. And then if you travel. So this card could work with a lot of businesses. I think this one is the most interesting to me as someone who runs an online business. That could be particularly valuable. And then all other purchases are 1x points. So it's really important before you get this card to understand to what extent you can use that benefit. We'll go next to the Ink Cash. And the way it works is, as you can see here, up to $25,000 in spend, you get 5% back, but that's for office supply, internet, cable, and phone services. So that's the category there. And then you get 2% back, if I can highlight it here, at gas stations and restaurants, and then everything else is 1%. So again, kind of like the preferred, you got to know to what extent are you going to use these. If you're going to take full advantage of these $25,000 spend caps at the 5% and 2% level, this will be an excellent card. If you're not sure about categories and you don't want to deal with all the categories, then the Business Unlimited is probably the best option, and it's pretty straightforward. 1.5% cash back on everything. But again, all of these are good choices, just a matter of where you spend your money with your business. All right, number 3, 2 of the 3 cards have no annual fee. So if you're looking for a no annual fee card, Chase has got you covered. It's this one, Ink Business Unlimited, and then also Ink Cash. It has no annual fee. Ink Preferred does have an annual fee. Whoops, well, I guess we went right to the website. It does have an annual fee of $95. There are reasons for that. Let me pull it back up here. There are reasons for that that we'll get to in just a minute. Again, this card among the 3 is unique, but we'll come back to that. Number 4, all of the cards, you can get free cards for your employees. So if you have employees that you want to have a card, It's no additional cost, and this is really important. You can set individual spending limits. So you don't want an employee going on a spending spree with your card and then skipping town. So you can really control this, which is a huge benefit. All right, number 5, and this is when we start to look at some of the differences with the preferred card. But even though the other two are considered cash back, and this card that you're seeing on the screen is sort of a points card, that's really more sort of a marketing thing. The reality is all of these cards earn Chase Ultimate rewards, Chase Ultimate reward points, and that's really important. Of course, you can convert all of those to cash at basically 1 penny a point. You can see that in the example here where 1,000 bonus points are worth 1,000 in cash. However, you can also use them to book travel through Chase Ultimate rewards. And that's where the preferred card really shines, because unlike the other two, you get a 25% bonus when you use Chase Ultimate rewards for travel through Chase. That's why, for example, the 1,000 bonus point offer here, 100,000 bonus point offer here is actually worth $1,250 when used for travel booked through Chase. It's because that 25% bonus kicks in. The other cards don't have that bonus, that 25% bonus, but that'll get us back to the strategy I'll share with you in just a minute, where you can actually get that bonus even with the other cards if you follow the right strategy. We'll come back to that in just a minute. All right, number 6, the other two cards, they both offer 0% APR for 12 months. You can see it here with the Business Unlimited card. Whoops, there we go. 0% for 12 months on purchases. Of course, after that, the regular APR kicks in. For this card today, for the date of this recording, 13.99 to 19.99%. But if you're looking to make some big purchases in your business, then either the Ink Business Unlimited or Ink Business Cash would be, I think, good options. All right, number 7, we'll just show an example here. They offer a lot of travel insurance and coverage. As you can see here, whether it's auto rental collision damage waiver, they have travel emergency assistance, roadside assistance, purchase protection. They even extend warranty protection. That's certainly not unique among credit cards. A lot of cards offer those kinds of perks, but not all of them do. So you'll want to make sure, if you're looking at other credit cards and these kinds of protections are important to you, that they have them. All right, the 8th and final benefit before we get to the card strategy, and I actually want to show you on the website here, you don't have to have, and that's not what I wanted. We'll come back here. We'll try it here. You don't have to have an official business. In other words, you don't have to be an LLC or a corporation and have a separate business name in order to qualify for a business credit card. You can be a sole proprietor and just operating in your own name, which a lot of side hustle businesses, that's exactly what they do. And in fact, this is an application for one of the cards. You can see down here, they ask you, and let me make this a little bigger for you if I can, a little bit. You choose your type of company, and sole proprietorship is one option. And for business legal name, if you click the information icon here, it even tells you, it says tell us the full legal name for your business. In most cases, a sole proprietor's legal name is its owner's personal legal name. So not a problem. You don't have to have an EIN number. If you don't have one, you can use your social security number. So again, a lot of folks, I think, that can qualify for business credit card might not realize that. You don't have to be an LLC or a corporation to qualify for a business credit card. Okay, I want to finish up with the strategy that I mentioned, and it really hinges on the fact that, let's see here, here we go, that the business preferred card offers that 25% bonus when you book travel through Chase with your reward points. If that's how you want to use them, one strategy is to get this card, right, the preferred, but also get either the Business Unlimited or, and I'll show you the Ink Cash card as well. You know, you get this bonus, which is paid out in the form of Chase Ultimate rewards. You don't actually have to convert it to cash if you don't want to. If you can take advantage of it, you've got this 5% category and the 2% category. But what you do is, rather than converting those rewards to cash and taking the cash, you can transfer them to, if you have it, in this case, the preferred card. And then once they're transferred to the preferred card, you can take advantage of the 25% bonus, even if you originally earned the points from one of the other cards. Now, one final option, if you don't want the preferred card, but you carry the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, those are both personal credit cards, you could transfer these points from any one of these credit cards to one of those cards as well. So you can use that kind of strategy to get the most out of Chase Ultimate Rewards, even if the card you earned them with itself doesn't pay a bonus. If you hold one of the cards, either Chase Ink Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve or Preferred, you can transfer the rewards to one of those credit cards, then use them for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards and get their bonus. Well, there you go. I think Chase Ink is an excellent option for business credit cards. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out any way I can. Thanks for watching.